It's day 2 here in Patagonia. We're in Punta Arenas, and the plan was to kind of just take off early in the morning, but this is a photography tour and everybody's super keen to go out shooting, so we're actually going to go down and shoot a sunrise here in Punta Arenas down at the pier. What an absolutely epic first sunrise in Patagonia. The light in every direction is just unreal. We weren't going to shoot this morning, and then we decided to, and I can't tell you how happy I am we did. This is just unbelievable. A lot of the participants are down on the rocks because the rocks are getting this really nice glowing red light. I'm up on the pier shooting some like long exposure selfies as well as some just regular clips straight down the pier, 16 to 35 into this unreal light, and it's coming out beautiful. Now that I've shot the 16 to 35 though, I want to kind of try something a little bit different. I want to get the 70 to 200 on and just see if I can get some of these cormorants getting that morning light on them with that sky in the background. So that's shot number 2. Actually, shot number 3. You know it's a good morning when the sun hasn't even risen and you've already gotten 2 shots. That was an epic bit of light, just the perfect start to this trip. Now we're picking up the 4 people that kind of got stuck a little bit late because of the LATAM strike, picking them up at the airport and cruising north to Puerto Natales. The weather was biting us as we got here, really windy and rainy, and now it's clearing off. We're in Puerto Natales. This is the hotel we're staying at right behind me. You might remember from last year, and if you didn't see last year's video from here, it's up here somewhere. My pier, what I like to call my pier, is just down that way, and we might go and shoot that. We might find something else to shoot today, this afternoon, but for now, since we got the whole group finally all together, we're gonna have our pre-departure meeting. Yeah, so that's what's going on, and then hopefully we'll get out and take some pictures. The light and the weather in Patagonia never ceases to blow my mind. We got here, you couldn't see your hand in front of your face because it was so cloudy. Then it seemed like the light was gonna get epic out of nowhere. And then when we were having our meeting, it went like totally covered up again. And then now there's like total blue sky that way, some cloud cover that way, and some nice sunlight coming through. It's just crazy how quickly things change. My pier's right there, and my peers are here and there, so we're gonna go meet up and do some shooting. We're set up at my pier and with my peers, and the light's really nice. We got backlight here, but every single time I come here, this is like the 5th time I've come to this spot, we get really nice light here. So I'm happy with this. I've again shot 1 composition already, even though it's still an hour until sunset. But I'm gonna show you guys the distance Off in the distance, there's a road that leads straight into this mountain. And I'm not sure I have enough lens to get into it, but I'm gonna try because it looks really, really beautiful. You also have light hitting this peak here and some clouds off that way, and it all looks really, really beautiful. Mr. Thomas Heaton, what do you think about the light in Patagonia?
I can't make my mind up. Is it good? Is it bad? Right now it's just everything.
Everything. It's everything. The light is bad, it's good, it's okay, but it's always interesting.
Always.
So playing with light is like a constant battle here because the light's changing every minute. You're setting up a shot like I just set up on this road, and I like the composition, I like the shot I got. There's some light, nice light on the peak, and there's all these layers from the clouds moving at the top and the water in the bottom. It's just nice layered image. There's lots of depth to it, and there's a nice story to it. But waiting for the light there to be perfect is not going to happen because the light's already dead there. The light has moved on and is now on these other peaks over here. It's just constantly in motion in Patagonia. And yeah, it just makes it fun because you can literally shoot for hours and always get different light. So that was a really fun shoot, and from the sounds of it, everybody's kind of happy so far. I can deal with that. On this trip, we were hoping to shoot one time. Now, we were hoping this sunset was gonna be the first time. We've now shot 3 times already, and every single time, I think, both myself and most people have gotten image. So far the Patagonia trip is off to an awesome start, and the only way you make a Patagonia trip even better is by going to get Patagonian beer. All good days end in beer. Cheers. One of the really cool things about Patagonia is that the microbrew scene has really started to take off here. You get lots of really good beers, and yeah, there's no better end to a great day of photography than a nice beer. So that's it for today. I guess we'll see you tomorrow as we head towards El Calafate, Argentina. Peace. I keep putting the cap back on. They're all here for Thomas Heaton. Peace.